Okay, everybody, this is Wade the Squatchman. I thought I'd try something a little different today. It's pouring down rain out here, so I'm going to make a little video and take a little stroll, see what goes on in the rain. You see the bushes moving, anything like that, that's because the rain making things move. But, whoa, I just noticed up here, this branch right here is laid up in there, and there's one laying across it right there. So that one's been snapped off. So but we'll take this opportunity to walk in the rain, see what we can see. But I owe everybody an apology for yesterday. I made a video and people were sending me nice comments, and for some reason the video wouldn't come on my phone. My phone's been acting funny ever since I got zapped. So I owe y'all an apology who put an opinion on there in a comment, and I had to delete the whole thing and do it over. So I'm not trying to pick on anybody, and I'm so sorry if your comment got deleted. That's what happened. I had to redo it. It's not like I deleted your comment. So there's a broken branch up in the tree. So something's wrong with my phone. Ever since I got zapped, looks like an X-cliff. Something's wrong with my phone ever since I got zapped the other day. So I figure I'd let y'all know. I'm not pointing anybody out. I love your comments. I thank y'all for them. I've gotten so much amazing comments, so much support. So I thank y'all. I'm not picking on anybody, I promise. I'll take all the support I can get when it comes to squatching and opinions and comments. So now, I'm making this video now. I'm back in some thick stuff here. I don't know what's going to happen in this rain. I don't know what's looking at me. I don't know whether they come out in the rain, the elementals, or the big people. But I am trying to maneuver through all these trees and step over them, and it's pouring rain. So I thought I'd try making a video in the rain. Okay, here's a good open spot. Okay, now where I videotaped the wall, which I got pictures of and copies, I'm about to put them on, from this area right here. This, everybody, is where that wall is. And the one that looks like King Louis' castle. So let's work our way up here. Like I said, I'm sorry to everybody if your comment got deleted. I'm not deleting anybody's comments unless they're YouTube trolls, but I've never been up in here. So, a lot of activity up in here. A lot of tree activity. Yep. Never been up in here. So, look at this. Okay. Looks like it's an arch there too. Whoa! A Reese's cup wrapper. The way it's been ripped, it looks like it's been ripped like humans. By hands. And okay. We're working our way up. A snap tree right there. So, all right, we're working our way up. Whoa, this looks like a place they're hanging. Branch laid there. Whoa, let's work our way around. It's really pouring rain. I hope this video works. But the nest is right down there, everybody. Whoa. Okay. I am somewhere I've never been. Look at that. Goes up and goes down. That's a big squash tree right there. Right in there. So, okay. Working our way around. The nest is down there, and I'm not going down there today. But we're going to work our way over, work our way back. So, yep. The nest is right down there. And there's an arch right there. So, I'm in some hard walking stuff to walk through here. So, yeah, everybody, down there's the nest. So, and the gifting area down there. So, alright, I'm going to cut this video short because I wanted to apologize to everybody. Alright, work my way around. I've never really made a video in the rain like this. So, okay. This tree right here looks like it was brought there. It's laid up there. Okay. A lot of things going on in here. Okay. Look at this. Big old broken tree right there. Look at this. 2 arches that are crisscrossed. That stuff's laid there. Broken tree right there. Alright, everybody. Down there's the gifting area. Over there's the nest. So, okay, I'm going to head on back. Like I said, that's awesome. Found a Reese's peanut butter cup wrapper. I'm getting soaked, so I hope my phone's going to be okay, because that's all I got to make a video with. So, it's been nice talking to y'all today. I'm on the other side of the thickness where they hide, so, and I'm looking for evidence as I'm walking. That's so cool. Found the Reese's cup. Look at that stuff hot up in there. Alright. Oh, spiderweb. God bless. Holy mackerel. Big one. So, and it's hanging off my phone. Alright. Okay. Goes up, goes down, mini. So, alright. Big old broken branch. Right there. Stuff laid in it. Broken tree right there. Okay. We're going to head on back. I'm trying to walk fast because nice big broken branch. As you can see, everybody, the big people and the little people hang in Wade Squatchmann's woods. So, alright, life is awesome. So, alright. Okay. I don't see the moon pies on that log back in there, so success. Alright, everybody, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, keep on squatching, keep on rocking. This is Wade Squatchmann. I'm getting soaked. We are out.